legal education has to keep pace with the changing developments of the world. Creating legal professionals to meet the future challenges is the watchword that was in the minds of the founding fathers of the great Hindustan School of Law as one of the constituent institutions of the Hindustan Institute of Technology and Science. See, HITS actually became a hit here because of its 50-year-old existence and the spiraling campus and infrastructure support. The Hindustan School of Law was established with the avowed object of to make every man a success and no man a failure. The Hindustan School of Law is marching towards that mission. Hindustan School of Law was established in a gala mega event participated by the eminent legal luminaries and many eminent senior lawyers were present at the event. And people who chaired the days, the dignitaries, they shared the view that Hindustan School of Law is going to achieve greater heights among the institutions imparting legal education in this area. Because of its place surrounded by the IT hub and corporate firms, we introduced BA LLB Honors, BBA LLB Honors, LLB 3-year stream, and LLM 1 year and 2 year LLM in corporate law and constitutional and international law, in administrative law also. In the 1 year LLM international law, we have twinning MOU with University of Kent, Chicago. There will be always a need for legal professionals to cater to the main requirements of corporate law firms as well as support in the form of policy making documents as well as legal advice to them in the human resource development. Hindustan School of Law has the aim of meeting the global standards. That is why the curriculum itself is devised as a global law school curriculum. We have also introduced a course for enlightening the students in the first semester itself on the ICT support and technology, the online codes, and everything is to be supported by the technology. So that has made it mandatory for the Hindustan School of Law also to make our students able professionals with the ICT support also. Practice ready lawyers have to be trained in the School of Law. We have a moot court hall and their daily moot court training is to be done. We are gearing up the students with able teachers who have a lot of experience in mooting and taking part in international moot court competitions. Apart from that, transformed pedagogy includes practical orientation in the form of effective counseling to needed litigants. It is to be done in the Legal Aid Center established in the School of Law, and the students are given opportunity to observe how effective counseling of clients, the litigants are given. Client counseling is also trained. So this is another aspect. Now, because the purpose of pro bono publico litigation support is one of the main elements in legal education as per the mandate of the Bar Council of India. So we are also gearing up to that. Apart from this practical orientation and honing the skills of moot and advocacy, we have opened a research, advanced legal research center also, and in which at present 10 scholars have been doing research in law under different guides who are senior professors in the School of Law. Cyber crime, environmental issues, technology related matters, intellectual property rights, all these streams, the scholars are doing research. The Hindustan School of Law aims to fly high. So we are ready. Why should students wait? They can join and get the benefit. I invite the budding lawyers, the future professionals who are ready to face professional-oriented legal education as well as value and social justice-oriented legal education in Hindustan School of Law.